Hey, baddies and buddies, I promised you guys one mind bender today. And so I did a quick analysis of the five coins that we talked about yesterday, plus one just for posterity's sake. So if you look at this, this is looking at what would have happened if on January 1st of 2024, you took $10,000 and divided it among the six cryptos that I'm going to talk about. Five of them were the ones that we went over yesterday, and the sixth one is USDT. So dividing $10,000 evenly among six cryptos would have been $1,666 per crypto. And then we'll go into what happened with each coin. With Bitcoin, as you can see here, let me see if I can make this screen bigger. No. All right, so with Bitcoin, right about here under the performance analysis, the price on January 1st of 2024 was approximately $42,000 a coin. At the end of the day yesterday, approximately $105,125. So the growth, that 105,000 minus 42,000 times 100% equals 150% growth in that one coin this year. So the investment value of $1,666 times that 150% growth is a extra $4,166 in just that one portfolio. When we talked about making sure that you have a portfolio. So let's look at adding Ethereum to that model. Ethereum January 1st was $1,600 a coin. Guys, a lot cheaper, right? Not 40,000, $1,000, but still you could see a significant return. Look right here. The return for Bitcoin for the year, $4,166. The return for the Ethereum, $4,000. Okay, so it's very, very important to have a portfolio. Okay, so let's see here. Binance, the BNB coin we talked about. Again, look down at the value of the investment, $3,966. Going next to ADA, scrolling down to the value of the investment, $3,866. XRP, which we know is still having a breakout moment, is the value was at $3,866. It started at $1.10. So if you wanted to really diversify your portfolio and not put an even amount in each coin, but put a little bit more money in those coins that you could get more of, you would have had an even greater return. So if you would have said, I want to put 5,000 of my 10,000 in XRP because of what's happening with it right now and what was going on, there's no crystal balls, but you said the lawsuit was pending. I think this is going to go in the right direction because crypto is not a security. And I'm going to hedge the bet on that. You would have had a much greater return on XRP than on your Bitcoin portfolio, just because you could get way more coins at $1.10 a coin. And then I added Tether in here, USDT, as an example to show you that the value of USDT is tied to the value of US currency. So one USDT is $1. You would have put $1,666 in USDT. You would have gotten back $1,664. That must be some fees or the exchange rates in that calculation. But that would have been your return on that investment. So it's great to have stable coins, like I said, but you're not going to see a return or profit on your money. So look at the total portfolio value. You have the sum of all of the individual investments. Bitcoin at $4,166, Ethereum at $4,000, BNB at $3,966, ADA at $3,866, XRP at $3,866, USDT coming in below what you started with, $1,664, for a total of $21,531. What did you start with? $10,000. Now, if anyone has a money market, a CD, um, any other type of investment that's turning out those type of returns at 115% for the year for the portfolio, please let me know. I love to learn more, but this is just phenomenal. And keep in mind, this was a bull run year. This is the year that Bitcoin did its halving back in April. So a lot of those factors played into it. But this is to tell you and to show you that you don't just have to look at the one coin, you look at a portfolio. All right. So I hope you enjoyed. And of course, past performance does not predict future results, but I wanted to share this example with you.